I'm Bernadette.
I'm Hannah.
It's our June 2021 No Buy Year update, and even though it's like almost the middle of July, but whatever, here we are, finally filming it. I did not do so great this month.
I did wonderful.
Yeah, Hannah did awesome. For June, Hannah spent $6 on groceries, and I spent $362 on groceries.
I bought ice cream.
So it's still under our $500 limit, but I've got to try to catch up. So total, we spent $368.62. That leaves us with a total so far for the year that we spent on groceries for the first 6 months of the year was $3,221, which is $221 over our budget. So now we have only $2,799.79 left for the whole year.
July's a no buy challenge.
So
Because we need to make room for rats.
Well, yeah, true. Yeah, we've got to buy rats, but I keep filling the freezer with food so we don't have room. So we got hungry snakes. For June, we got takeout twice. That only leaves 2 times of takeout for the rest of the year, and it's only 6 months into the year.
Better make them special. And she keeps being like, I want pizza. I want this.
Especially when I don't feel good, like when I'm in pain and I'm tired, I don't feel like cooking.
I don't feel like cleaning up my own mess.
Yeah, so and I don't want to clean up her mess either, so we got takeout. So we'll see how we got with 2 takeouts for the rest of the year.
To combat the takeout, because it was a dishes thing, we got paper plates and plastic cutlery, which...
Hopefully that helps us.
That many less dishes, fight me.
I spent a little bit of money on myself. I went out on a date with somebody. I knew from that date I did not want to have a second date, so I paid for my own meal. And so that I didn't owe him anything. I spent some money on iTunes, $4.78 on songs.
Have you not heard of Spotify?
I wanted to support this band.
Okay.
So, yeah. So I spent $23.47 on myself. I've only spent $49.20 on impulsive purchases for myself this year. So I have $100.80 left for that for the next 6 months. Hannah did no small thank yous this month.
Nope.
So she has $74.40 left for the whole year.
About half.
Yeah, she did really good. I didn't do any Ubers for June. I have 15 Uber rides left for the year. Dermatology, I didn't spend any money on dermatology. Supplements this month. For June, I spent $85.03. Total this year is $681.16 for 6 months. So that averages at just a little more than $100 a month, which is less than a third of what I used to spend on supplements. So that's a big accomplishment for me. No money on pedicures for June. Up to then, there was no pedicures. And so I have 4 pedicures left for the whole year. Physio, I spent $95 once in June. So I've spent a total of $335 on physical therapy, and I can go 8 more times this year to massage or physio. I did actually go to therapy this month. I did have a phone appointment, but it was free. It was through my employee assistance program, so I still have 18 visits left for the full year. Photo shoots for Hannah?
Nothing.
She's got $534.10 for the rest of the year. No dates this month for Hannah, so she's got $470 left for dates this year. For the first month so far, we spent no money on snakes. In 6 months, for 4 snakes, we spent $452.88.
Yeah, and the only thing we have to get right now is giant rats. I'm out of giant rats.
I bought a pill cutter because we needed that, and we couldn't find Hannah's piano cord. We bought a piano cord, and so we spent $64.39 on housewares.
Mom wants to start learning the piano and music theory, so that's why we got that.
Yep. Electronics and housewares this year so far for the first 6 months of 2021, we spent $421.47.
We're doing good.
Yep. My therapist suggested that I get a book and I start doing hobbies that are not related to fitness. Like Hannah mentioned, I started to learn music theory, and I also got a book that my psychotherapist recommended, and so I spent $138.77 on books, and I put it in red because I said I wasn't going to buy any books this year. So that was breaking my no buy, even though it was recommended by a therapist. We had to renew our passports, so the postage and passport costs are in here. I bought medication, Hannah bought medication. Hannah spent some monies at the drugstore for hair dye and stuff, which is not against the no buy. And then the sunscreens, and I couldn't find our nail clippers, so I got that. And I ordered some more shorts from Old Navy because it is above 30 degrees Celsius in Calgary.
Yeah, that heat wave sucked, but also we're going down to the States where it's warmer.
In Texas.
Yeah.
So I needed some more shorts.
Also, I haven't dyed my hair yet because I cut off all the old dye, and it is very short, and I wanted to split dye my hair, but I want it to be longer and not be a waste of bleach.
Hannah spent $24 on other things, and I spent $659.72 on other things. That added up fast. Well, the passports were expensive, and then the books, I spent quite a bit of money on books, so I don't feel bad about any of that. Do you?
No.
So this year on other things we spent just over $4,200. So far the totals for June, Hannah spent $30 in June. I spent $1,336.08 in June. This year, Hannah spent $2,478.12. And I spent $7,043.37. 6 months into the year on groceries, takeout, fun, all the things on our list here, transportation, all of these things, clothes. Total combined for 6 months is $9,521.49. And the only cosmetic item purchased by either of us besides that sunscreen was the eyeliner. One eyeliner that Hannah bought.
That wasn't against the rules.
Yeah, exactly, because she said that she would be allowed to buy black eyeliner.
Yeah.
If she ran out, and she did.
Yeah, well, the ColourPop one's kind of a struggle to use, so it fills it in.
Yeah. But we didn't go and buy any impulsive eyeshadow things.
No.
Or any of that. So what did you want this month?
The ColourPop Hello Kitty Tropical collection.
Oh.
Didn't buy it. Still want the Animal Crossing collection. Didn't buy it. Want the big versions of some of the skincare I have. Didn't buy it.
I wanted to get a smaller box for my pills because I take less medication.
I kicked ass.
You did kick ass. I'm losing.
I don't think you're going to be able to catch up.
No, I don't think so either. We spent $9,500 for half a year. This is nice to put this in perspective to see exactly where our money goes. Okay, so we'll see you next month.
Peace.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Mr. Peanut. I'm a subscription noodle. Each like, share, or subscribe buys me one mouse. I love you.